Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. Helmi, you're joining with two accounts. You're joining, I guess, with your mobile and from the laptop. Sign out from one of the two accounts. I need only one account. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. Here we have the topics to be covered in trimester 2. Okay. In week 1, we need to have a revision for the app lab we already had in week 13 and 14. I know some of you didn't attend the sessions, so we're going to start from the beginning, step by step. Then we're having introduction for programming from week 2 to week 5. Our project, by the way, will be creating an application the same as the one we're going to create today, inshallah. So get ready, as the due date of the project will be week 6, inshallah. Then in week 6, we're having a theoretical session, hardware and software. In week 7 to week 9, we're having one of Microsoft Office programs, which has Microsoft Access. And we're going to have the version of 2013. I had 2013 because the computer lab here we're working in 2013. So if we were back to school, inshallah, we're going to use 2013. If not, we can use any version commonly used by you. Then in week 10, we're having a revision. Week 11, inshallah, trimester 2 exam. Well, I hope you will be here, inshallah. In week 12 and week 13, we're having a very nice program called Powtoon. Powtoon is a website for creating animated videos. Okay, the same as you're having on YouTube and so on. Okay. Who's Razan Khalid? Do we have any Razan Khalid here? Lubaba? I guess Razan.
Yes, يا مس احنا عندنا اللبابة بس I don't know who the Razan.
Razan is one of grade year 8 students. She may be confused. Okay, anyway, we will keep her in the meeting room, in the waiting room. Okay, thank you, Malik. Now we're going to open code.org. The login steps and your username are actually the passcode or the secret word you're going to enter to access your account in code.org were sent in Classera. I sent them through Classera mailbox. The steps. Make sure to check them. Anyway, we're going to open www.code.org. I'm opening code.org. The screen is shared with you. Malak.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, يا مس.
So I'm going to sign out. Or I need to know your section code. Your section code is VVJYBW, the one I'm highlighting now. So I'm going to take a copy.
لا miss, no, we are
Sorry,
grade 8A.
you're grade 8A. I'm sorry. So your BXCDJZ. Copy. How will you sign in? I'm going to sign out from mine. Okay, so first of all, we're going to open www.code.org. Then click sign in. On the right-hand side, you're having enter your 6-letter section code. So enter your class code, and the class code is sent with the steps on Classera. Yours is BXCDJ Z. Click go. And then you need to select your name and enter your secret word. For example, Helmi, and you need to enter your secret word, okay? The secret word is already sent, as I said, on Classera. So I'm going to sign in with my account. After signing in, you need to click create and create an App Lab project. But before moving to the creation of the project, we had a homework in week 13 and 14. Your homework was opening introduction to App Lab. Once you enter, it will open introduction to App Lab. We're having levels from 1 to 15. Your homework was answering levels from 1 to 13. He's giving you a step-by-step how to work with App Lab. So it's a must to answer the levels from 1 to 13, okay? I know some of you didn't attend the school, but we're having a recorded videos explaining how to do like the first 3 levels and another video for from level, I guess, 6 to 7 and so on. So watch the recorded video and try to answer the homework from level 1 to level 13. In level 14, we're having a video. حاضر يا جولي هرد عليكي. From level 1 to level 13 at the homework, okay? There is no need for submit anything on Classera. I can open your accounts from code.org and see your work, okay? You're having a chance till, make it, for example, Sunday, okay? Well, it wouldn't take from you more than 30 minutes to finish the whole levels. And yani plus the recorded videos, we're having a videos here in the diamond, okay? The diamond shape here as a video explaining how to answer the coming levels. So you need to finish the homework if you didn't. If you did, خلاص. If you didn't, you need to finish it and it should be answered on code.org maximum by Sunday. Yes, Julie, قولي حبيبتي.
Miss Hala is telling you that she joins and you kick her out.
No, say again. I didn't hear you, Marish.
Hala is telling you that when she joins, you kick her out of the Zoom.
Okay, maybe she was entering with a nickname.
I asked her, she said she joins with her name.
No, I removed it, someone who entered with a nickname. But anyway, if she is in the waiting room, I'm gonna let her in.
Okay.
But I have only Lubaba and she's joining now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we're going back to my dashboard, and from create, we're gonna create an App Lab project. Okay. So I wanna show you the sample we're gonna create. On level 15, we're having 3 samples. For applications we can create using App Lab. We're going to create one of them, this one. Okay, here we have happy birthday. Do you want to celebrate? When we click pool party, we're having, I will grab my suit. I have a grade 1, return back. When we click dance party, see you on the dance floor. I don't know if you can hear, we're having a loud music. I don't know if you can hear it or not.
Oh, سمعنا.
Okay. So how to create the same application? We need to create, sign in to code.org and click create App Lab, rename the project to be with your name. And save. Now I'm having an empty project to create the same application I'm having here. Okay, now Hala is in. Your task now, I'm gonna give you 2 minutes, okay? Your task now is to sign in to your code.org, create an App Lab project, rename it with your name. Okay? You're having 2 minutes. And by the way, you need to use a laptop. Yes, يا مالك.
From where do I rename it? Where do I rename it? Yeah.
From here, حبيبتي. Rename it. And type your name, save.
Okay.
Okay. Going to stop share for a second to open timer.
Miss, Miss, I'm not using a laptop. I'm using an iPad. Because Julie
It
is
will work.
using.
It's okay. There is no need. I mean, there is no need for downloading a certain application. It's not a mobile application. Open Google Chrome or Safari.
I opened it خلاص.
Okay. هي لبابة
بس
has a
انا مش عارفه اعمل كرييت، مش عندي كرييت انا في البتاع
اهو
بتاعي.
حبيبتي بصي انا هرجع على الداشبورد. Once you enter, you're having the same screen after signing in.
Yes.
في هنا create at the top.
I don't have create بقى،
لا
مش
you
موجود
should
عندي.
have حبيبتي. You should. مفيش حاجة اسمها
مكتوب زينة بس ومش مكتوب جنبيه create خالص.
how come يا زينة how come
والله بس اعمل لك شير سكرين عندي والله.
اوكي اعملي لي شير سكرين. طب استني ام ستوب شير.
طب ميس انا مش عارفه اعمل ايه عشان لسه داخله ممكن حضرتك
one by
تقولي؟
one
أيوة.
معلش.
احنا المفروض نعمل ايه طيب دلوقتي؟
دلوقتي sign in to code.org واعملوا creating الاب لاب project. اوكي يا زينة. طيب زينة ممكن تعملي كده كليك على ال 3 داشز دول. اوكي كليك my dashboard. طب nothing again. اعملي كليك برضو على ال 3 داشز. click projects. Okay, scroll down. Okay, App Lab. Okay, time out. Okay, I'm going to share my screen to App Lab again. Go to the project. Okay, now it's time for designing. Do you remember what did we say about the programming objects? For example, if our programming object is a pool party, the pool party button here is a programming object. Each programming object has main, sorry, has main 3 features. Feature number 1 is the property. What did we say about the property? How can we describe the object? The background color, the font size, the font style, its shape. All of those are the properties. The second feature is the method. What will sorry what will be done by the pool party button? When we click on it, it will open a new screen. So opening a new screen is the method. Back. The third one is the event. What is an event? Event is my action as a user on the object, meaning the click. Okay, so who can tell me again, what is the property? Who can answer? What is the property? Malak?
Describing a button with its color or size.
Okay, it doesn't have to be the button. Any programming object. Or the image we're having here is an object. The label written here is an object. All of those are objects, okay? And each one has
A prophecy.
a property. Adil, try to copy and paste it and make sure there is no spaces. Okay. Then we said the second feature as the method. Who can tell me what is a method? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Zaina, do you want to answer?
زينة الناس بتنادي عليك انت.
أيوة مش معاكي.
Yes, yes, Zaina. Zaina, we said an object has three features. The first one, Malak said the property. How can we describe the object? The second one, the method. Can you tell me what is a method?
Method.
Method as the action will be done by the object. For example, if we're clicking the pool party button, it will open a new screen. So opening a new screen as the method of the object, okay? Or of the button here. تمام؟
عايز أسأل سؤال.
شو يا حبيبتي؟
أنا عندي وأنا بعمل الأسايمنت لو في حاجة حصلت غريبة خليت اللي هي الحاجات اللي بنحطها جنب بعض دي عشان نعمل البروجكت اختفت.
طيب زينة ممكن تبقي تعملي لي شير سكرين وتوريهاني.
ماشي.
لا حلا you have it on Classera. Check your Classera mailbox. If not, I'm gonna send you privately now. But after I finish, I'm gonna send it to you in the private chat. Okay, Mariam, can you tell me, Mariam Fauzi, you're unmuted.
Yes.
Mariam, can you tell me what is the event?
The event, I know the method, not the event.
Okay, say the method.
When you're organizing, when you click in the pool party, for example, when you click in the pool party, so it's getting you the pool party and then you can go back.
Thank you, Habibti. Meaning, clicking the button will open a new screen. Opening a new screen, the method will be done by the object in that case, okay? Thank you. So, Noor, can you tell me what is the event? Or anyone can tell me what is the event? Lily or Julie, didn't hear from you. Amina, Jana. No one? Event as, okay, قولي يا جولي.
بس هو أنا ما حضرتش أي سيشن قبل كده فعشان كده مش عارفة الحاجات دي.
أنا عارفة فأنا عشان كده بشرح من الأول عشان كده براجع. طيب بصي الإيفنت الكليك on the object هو الأوبجكت ده هيشتغل إزاي؟ How it will work؟ البutton هيشتغل إمتى؟ When we click on it. So clicking as the event, okay? You need to understand the differences between property, method, and event. Again, property, how can we describe the object? Method, the action will be done by the object. Event, my action as a user on the object, okay? Back to our project. Amina, you said you don't know how to rename. Okay, you can rename from here at the top. Click rename and type your name. And it's a must to rename the project with your name as I'm going to correct them. So I'm viewing the projects with your name. So make it easy for me. So save. Now our project is saved with our names. Amina, after I finish, I will let you share your screen to see, okay? So the first step will be the designing. I need an image, a label, 2 buttons. So here we are in the code mode. From here, clicking here, we are in the code. To switch to the design mode, click here. So we're having code and design. we're not gonna use data. We're using the code and design. So from design toolbox, we're going to drop an image here, okay? Once we are selecting the image, we can see the properties of the image on the right side. So scrolling down to the image property here and choose upload. We're going to upload an image to be displayed in the image object. Okay, I have the image here. I upload it and choose. Now we're having the same image displayed here. We need to change the width and the height. Okay, Noor, you didn't create a project, Habibti. Okay, from here, okay, you need to create an app lab project. So you will be having the same view as we're having. Okay, Adil, once I'm done, I will send you the new I will send you the steps of login again. Okay, we can select and resize the image, or we can change the height and width from here. So I may change the 190 to be like 250, and the width is okay. So I'm going to change the position, and this is fine. Then we need to write happy birthday. Do you want to celebrate? This is a label. So from the toolbox, move to labels and drag one here. Once I'm selecting the label, I can see the properties of the label. The ID is the programming name, okay? If we change it, the ID, nothing will be displayed on the label. If we need to change what is written on the label, we need to change the text property from here, okay? And happy birthday. Okay, this is not correct. Okay, I'm gonna change the position, and scrolling down, we can change the font size instead of 13. As we said, the property, how can we describe the object? The font, the color, and so on. So the font size here, instead of 13, we can make it like 30, okay? And we may change the alignment of the text to be in the center, and we can change, for example, the color of the text. So we're having it here in black, so we're gonna keep it black. If we need to have like a background color for the label, we can change it from here and so on. So now we're having the image and the labels. We're missing the two buttons, the pool party and the dance party. Okay. Noor, I read your message and I will be back to you. Okay, so I said we need to have like two buttons. So from the toolbox again, drag 1 and 2. Or we may work on the dimensions of the first one. Okay, we need both of them to be from the same size. So instead of dragging the two buttons and change the dimensions and so on, okay, and changing the dimensions and so on, we're going to work on, okay, يا حلمي حاضر I will. Instead of working on both of them, I'm going to change the dimensions of one and then select that one. From here, duplicate will create another one with the same dimensions. Okay, now I'm going to select the first one I'm sorry, بس who entered from 8B, could you please يعني sign out? I didn't start your session yet, so you need to wait in the waiting room. Then once we started the session, I will let you in. Thank you. Okay, so select the first one. I need the text to be displayed on the button. And remember, we said to change what's displayed on the button, okay, we need to change the text property. So instead of the word button, pool party, okay, and I need to change the background color to be red, so I'm going to type red. And the same for the other one. Instead of the word text, make it, I don't remember, it was dance party. Okay, and change the background to be blue. Okay. Now we're done with the design of the first screen. We need to have like more two screens. When we click on the pool party, we need to have that screen. And when we click the dance party, we need to have that screen. So I'm going to select from here screen 1, okay? And from toolbox, I'm going to drag an empty screen, okay? And I need to place again an image here. And from the property of the image, I'm going to choose and add the pineapple, this one, the pool, okay? And choose resize, okay? Again, we need to add a label here, but I need to move to the button. This time, we need to display like an arrow on the button instead of displaying a word. So what should we do? Selecting your object, property, scroll down, okay? Here we have image, choose, and we're having 2 other options. How come يا ليلي؟ Just a second, معلش. Make sure you're selecting the object itself. Once you're selecting the object, everything will be displayed. Scroll down, you're gonna find them. لا, they are there. Okay, from icons, you have a lot of icons. Select, here it's repeat, I guess. Okay, repeat. I need to remove the word button displayed here, so scroll up, move it, okay? Now we're done with the design of 2 screens and we need to add a 3rd screen. By the way, we're having 2 sessions per week. Session 1 will be on Sunday. It's a recorded session. I will record how to complete the application and the assignment will be posted on Sunday. Okay, and if you didn't, as we said, submit the homework of week 13 and 14, make sure to submit them. Actually, we're having like 5 minutes. If you're having any question, raise your hand. I need to send the login steps for, who said, Lubaba, I guess. Lubaba and Adil, anyone else, and Helmi. Lubaba, Adil, and Helmi. Anyone else, I'm going to send them on Classera mailbox. Okay, so anyone else wants the username and password? And if you have any question, raise your hand. Okay. Julie.
بس هو أنا دول بس اللي بيبانوا. بعد كده وانا put the picture ازاي اجيب كل الحاجات اللي كانت عند حضرتك؟
اتاكدي ان انت عامله select للاوبجكت. يعني بصي لو انا رجعت على screen 2 اول ما بعمل select للإيمج بلاقي الحاجه بتاعت الإيمج displayed.
انا اعمل لها select مش راضيه.
مفيش نو واي يا جولي اهي يا حبيبتي، انا بعمل سيلكت بتطلع اهي وبعمل سكرولينج داون بلاقيها.
انا قاعدة بتعمل البتاعة الغريبة دي بالبلس ساين، قاعدة بقى
اوكي
بدوس على البيكتشر ما بتعملش.
طيب حلا هاي حلا you're unmuted يا حبيبتي.
طب مس انا حضرتك مش لاقيه الكود على الميل بوكس ومش عارفه اخش.
هبعتهولك تاني، انا هبعتهولك تاني حاضر.
ماشي.
بس كان يشير سكرين عشان
طب
مش راضي خالص يدوس.
طيب لا حالا I will allow you to share screen. Stop sharing.
اوكي
So actually لو السيشن فصلت في أي وقت now you're allowed to share your screen. shared.
اوكي بس قاعدة بقى بدوس عليها مش راضية تعمل.
أنا مش شايفة حاجة لسه حياتي ما فتحش. طيب عشان
مس
انتي
هو
بصي جولي انتي
جانا
جولي انتي حبيبتي ما عملتيش دراج لإيمج، انتي حطيتي الإيمج باك جراوند للسكرين، فانتي كان لازم تعملي تول بوكس
كده
ايوه حطيها بقى هنا.
اوكي
بس كده انتي
فين؟
خلاص انتي كده حطيتي
اوكي
باك جراوند على السكرين كلها. اوكي if I didn't send بقى the username and password if there's any problem I know I have to send to حلمي لبابة نور and حلا if anyone else.
وجانا كمان يا مس عايزاه جانا.
طب اي حد بقى عنده مشكله يبعت لي على كلاسيرا ياكد عليا ان انا لازم ابعت له اليوزر نيم والباسورد if I didn't. Okay, remember we're having a recorded video to complete the application. والفيديو should be sent on Sunday ان شاء الله. recorded session بتاعتنا Sunday live session Wednesday. Thank you so much.